I'm Brian Dipert, Editor-in-Chief of the Edge AI and Vision Alliance. I will be your moderator for, well, the entire afternoon. But this particular presentation, which is from Taesu Kim, Chief Technology Officer at Alliance member company SqueezeBits. The name of the presentation is Bridging the Gap, Streamlining the Process of Deploying AI onto Processors. And are you ready? Come on up.
So today I'm going to talk about deployment of AI models onto like smaller devices such as NVIDIA GPUs or Qualcomm chips, and how to streamline those deployment process. So before we begin, I just want to check if any of you have some experience with deploying the AI models to like TensorRT or Qualcomm chips here. Maybe not, yeah. Then I will just keep the presentation of the concept of like model-agnostic deployment process that I want to discuss today. So I will talk about our innovative approach to like streamlining the deployment of AI models to smaller devices. So I will share how SqueezeBits is addressing the key deployment challenges and how it is working with our own solution called OLight and Vision chips. So deployment of AI models is really important, but it involves numerous complexities, particularly when we are focusing on the efficiency and optimal performance of diverse hardware platforms. So AI engineers have been regularly facing a wide range of model architectures, from like relatively smaller or simpler models like computer vision models that we daily use on edge computing, but also up to really larger models such as large language models or diffusion models that has been gaining a lot of attention nowadays. So these varied architectures really typically require specialized and manually scripted things, convergence scripts for each hardware targets, namely like GPUs, NPUs, or mobile accelerators. So these major conversions are really cumbersome and tedious, but also really are prone to errors, so that those really often demand significant development effort and they are really slowing down the innovation nowadays. And moreover, this kind of like manual scripting creates a barrier to rapid iteration, because as updating the models or changing the deployment device from like NVIDIA GPUs to Qualcomm chips will require extensive redevelopment of the model itself and the deployment script itself and the testing process itself also. So such complexity often results in increased costs or delayed deployment timelines and a focus shift from innovation to maintenance. So clearly, I believe that there is a pressing need for a standardized, automated, and reliable deployment process for the AI models.